Hello. I don't think y'all can hear me. 1 second. All right. Wait, I had to tangle with my microphone, so I had to fix it right quick. Okay, let's say this again. Run that back turbo. Hello, 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 everyone. Happy Tuesday. I hope you're having a good day, great day, great day, good day. I hope your day is being good to you. Um, It's Tuesday, September 19th, 2023. And I just wanted to get on here. Sunday, I did not do my uh weekly market overview. And I realized to my YouTube world that my Wednesdays, I don't think my video on Wednesday actually posted, but it's okay. I was that's how exhausted I was. But you can be able to review that. Um, you can be able to review that video on my Facebook page, either at Mirror the Goddess 22, or you can go into our group chat, the Goddess Tribe, and you can view that video again. All right. So for those who do not know me, my name is Ramira, aka Mara the Goddess, or Mara the Goddess 22. It doesn't even matter. Just a little bit about myself. I'm stay-at-home mom to three wonderful boys. Um, 29 years old from Atlanta, Georgia, and I rob banks legally. And I'm here to teach you how. All right, so let's get into it. So first, let's go over the news and what has been happening in the market so far this week. Sunday, it was a bank holiday for JPY. Monday, we had some 9:30 news, 9:30 p.m. news. Today, Tuesday, CAD had some news, CPI actually, and 9:15, China actually had their news as well. So tomorrow. So tomorrow, starting at 2 a.m., JBP will have their CPI news and very volatile. 2 p.m. though, 2 p.m. and 2:30. So 2 p.m. we'll have our FOMC economic projections, FOM statements, the federal funds rate. Are they going to be raising interest rates? And then 2:30 is the actual press conference where Fed Powell will be speaking. Hopefully he'll speak, or they just give out his minutes of what was happening in the news at 2 p.m. And then so that will be very, very volatile on tomorrow. 6:45, NCD will have some news as well. Thursday, starting at 3 a.m., Swiss Frank will have their news, 7 a.m. For GBP, 8:30, unemployment claims, and looks like JPY will have some news throughout the day. And Friday, starting at 2 a.m., GBP 315, 330, Euro 430, GBP, and 9:45 will be US D's news, flash PMI. All right, so let's get into it. Looks like I got some alerts going off. All right, so EU, what's been going on with EU? I think I actually had a markup from the last time of what was happening. And yeah, I like going over my YouTubes because like sometimes the plays just play out so good. Like if I do a Sunday market overview, boom, Sunday market actually takes place. And I mean when Wednesday comes, I can go back and see like, dang, this is what I suspected, this was happening. Now don't get me wrong, sometimes I don't win all of my trades. Like I think it was last week it didn't go in my favor on some of my pairs in the analysis, but it's okay. That's a part of trading. You have your wins, you have your losers. um all right, so EU on the daily time frame, we actually cleared this boy on today actually. So I'm going to actually remove that gap in the market. Didn't want to remove that, but whatever. So I feel like EU may push up some more. Of course, we have that news that is taking place. So well, she kind of actually cleared that 4 hour and the daily at the same time. But what I'm expecting or what I'm suspecting is that she pull up a little bit more. I want to get more of a body candle before she starts to drop, and that is on a daily time frame. So it actually may not actually happen today. But until I see the trend break, I really feel like she's just repeating herself. Um, Now, just looking overall on the long move, of course, we have broken this structure here, all right here. I feel like this is just a retracement. We'll get the retracement. I know it's kind of small right now, but I'm gonna zoom it up. We'll get the retracement and then we'll repeat this move. Now, before we break that 1 hour, which is that blue line here that I have here, and then this purple line is 4 hour support and resistance. Before we can just go down and follow all this, I need her to break all of that. These are some major zones right here. So she actually pushed up, of course, what we suspected, but I need her to break. Once she breaks, retrace, and then we can repeat all of this. But in the times being, I see that this is what I'm anticipating. Of course, what's happening right now, retracement, and then we'll do one more sell off. Um, so that's what I am anticipating. Yeah. So she did clear that 4 hour, but I just like to see more of the I like to see more bodies that clears the voids, right? And then we can get a sell off. But don't get me wrong, guys, we are. This is actually the top of the swing trade, the swing points. Right here or right here. So I will want to see her to come back into that. and then we'll get in for the sale. All right, let's see what's going on. Okay, so this is good. Hold on, before I go on the forward time frame. I'm trying my best not to sing, y'all. Um, what I'm anticipating on EJ is a push up, and that's only because I want more better of a higher risk of reward. I don't know if she's gonna get all the way here. Hold on, I'm gonna do um more of a TDA to see where she could go. But of course, overall move I'm looking for is a sale. But of course, as we know, EJ has been doing nothing but going up, baby, up. I mean, can you tell? um, but where I was doing I think this was on Wednesday's call, and how we were anticipating, of course, the overall sale. Every time she would get to this daily support or resistance, that's my orange line right here, my orange or yellow line, whatever that I say orange. She kept she just kept like not trying to break it. She came up here, definitely got some a little bit of retracement, but we got some indecision. Tried to touch it again, boom. Tried to touch it again, boom. She did come up, but the next day she definitely closed sale. Um, I feel like she's just gonna retrace all of this, right? To get us into a better position for a sale opportunity. So I do see her still going up for a little bit before actually selling. Um, so with EJ that has cleared whatever void that was, I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. Um, I like this better. Now I don't really like advising to counter trend trade. Um okay, whatever, shut up. That sale is not ready yet. Or if it is, but it's not ready for me. All right, so looking at EJ, right? She's been going back and forth, but doing some type of consolidation going down, right? I do see, well, All right. Now hear me out. Okay. And then she's gonna make herself. All right, so this may be an inverted head and shoulders that may be forming. I know it kind of looks like a lot of noise, but I really feel like this may happen. And let me break it down for you guys right quick. Let me just remove this right quick. So a sell off could happen if a sell off does. Okay, so I really feel like this is an inverse head and shoulders, but the right shoulder has not been formed yet. I know it kind of looks like a big old consolidation, but I really feel like this is the left shoulder right here. This is the head. It's really the head right here, but this could be all one head, and then come down to probably a little bit less to right here because there's a void in the market or a little gap. It does not matter. Fill that void and then come up, right? So she could easily sell up right now because she has such a 50 percentile. But I really like, you guys know how I feel about when it just wicked. I like to see more of the body to feel the the fit to fit the 50%, not the 50 percentile, but when it wicks those little voids or those gaps in the market, I want to see more of the body action to happen before I started to change my direction on what the market may do. um but that's not always the case. Of course, these are just my analysis. This is not like whatever I say will go. All right, but whatever. So this is the right shoulder. That's how I feel. I mean, the left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder has to form. I'm gonna feel that 4 hour little gap or void or whatever that you call. Now it also does have another gap here that she would have to break. That's also where my 1 hour support and resistance is. But I really feel like she may repeat this a little bit, maybe hit the wig. We do have some major news tomorrow. And see. So she could sell off based off the price action right here. She could just easily retest this bearish harami and then she can sell off. Okay. So that would be something that's still over a little bit over a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Okay. Risking 30 pips to make 70 pips. All right. And then she'll make her move up. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. This is where you could be able to I like this one. This is a better risk to reward ratio. This is where you can be able to counter trend, but really not counter trending because the move is actually still a buy until she's ready to sell. Okay. Um, but how she's setting up, that's how I kind of like. All right. And then when she finally makes her little push up or her moves up, I really feel like she's gonna go ahead and clear that 4 hour void. Now, based off the price action and what happens, either she's gonna let me sell and we can get this move right here, or she just gonna go ahead and start continuing up and possibly get kind of right here or even just like get to that daily support and resistance. So that's what I kind of have for that. Unless you just want to go ahead and fall out the sky and then she break all of this and then she start to repeat all of that, right? All right. Um, so that's what I have on EJ. Ooh, I'm still liking the way EA looks. I'm not gonna really touch anything. I feel like some type of W reverse pattern is happening right here. She probably go up a little bit more. I'm gonna be honest. She may go up some more before dropping, but we have alerts, and until she feels this daily void or gap or whatever how you say it, whatever you want to say it by, then she'll be ready for the sale. But I still feel like she has some room to push up, retrace up before selling off. Yeah, she can even go somewhere. Well, right now, I don't think she's ready. Guys, I don't, like I said, I don't recommend to counter trend trade. These are just my analysis. This is just how I feel. This can be, something different. You can have your own different analysis. If you feel like she's go ahead and ready to sell off now, hey, that's on you. But that's just how I feel. That's how my analysis is. That's what my confluence is just saying. Um but you know what? You can always either take the trade or don't take the trade or share your feedback. What you think? If you think it's gonna do something else, I like to have open minds. I like to see, what the people are saying. All right. So I kind of like this. I'm gonna go delete this because I actually already said this, and I was like, "Yeah, I really feel like it's time to go ahead and start selling for USD CAD." Now she didn't give me a higher right shoulder. Like we anticipated, but based off my Wednesday, I said if she wants to go ahead and start selling, I would need her to break, give me a retest. Exactly what she did, guys. Let me clear some of this stuff off for you because it looks a little ugly. Um, Let me clear this off. I want to say thank you in case I don't thank you. See, there I go, there I go. Come on, be quiet. But we have a beautiful bear Sharami that took form and she sold, baby. She sold, she finally break through. We have finally broken structure on USD CAD. Giving me the anticipation that she is ready to continue to sell. Now, baby. If we talking swing points, because where does either this starts right here, or this starts right here. There gotta be a void or a gap somewhere. Let me go on a weekly time frame right quick. Look at that shit. There's also another weekly void. Y'all know how I feel about my voids. Need those bodies to close in them before turning around. I know. Now looking at this, she just overall, this is a weekly time frame. I want her as this from that swing point that I did on a daily time frame. I think it was from here to here. Um, she did feel it, right? She did feel the weekly void based off the week that would actually took place today, Monday. I will want her to actually close the weekly void, and then she could easily turn up. I mean, continue to trend back up, right? Because we are in that 50 to 61 percentile. She may actually not even get down here, okay? Unless she's just gonna go ahead and just like give me a big old drop. But I want her to close, and then if she based off the price action or what's happening with the candlesticks would tell me, then she can easily continue to go back up. That's on a weekly time frame. Also, overall, that's based off what on a weekly kind of looks a little bit better. But of course, she has been trending up. This could just be the retracement, right? Right here. All of this could be a retracement. Um, oh, what is that? A flag? Don't that look like a flag? Uh, Kind of looks like a bullish flag. It didn't break out yet. Um, but this could be like the starting to let me know we still gonna go back into a bullish trend. I just want to see more price action get down here. I'm actually going to put an alert right here. And dark is night. And I'm gonna get off of here after I do UJ because I'm about to get the singing and check price for buy entry. All right. Now, if you're gonna be doing those swing trades, baby, on a 4 hour time frame, she actually technically did this where you could have been able to like this where you gotta hold it and gotta go through it. You'll have a higher risk of, I mean, you'll have a higher stop loss because anything can happen. Also what she could do, right? If you're gonna do those swing trays and you gotta really hold it, she can get here to that 50 percentile price action based off of price action. She can even get up here to but based off what price action says, so I would say be careful if you're gonna start buying because she can easily sell. Um, of course, feel it on a higher time frame. She can even come down here and feel it and then go back up. So I would say be careful on the buys at this current moment. But if you're gonna swing it, of course, you guys know your risk management when it comes to swing trading. But I see sales so far until she's ready to buy. And then on my daily time frame, of course, I want her to feel it, feel that void by a body and not a wick. The weekly time frame, I want her to feel that body by a feel that void by a body and not a wick. And then she can go ahead and get back into a bullish trend. Okay. USD JPY is not ready for her sales yet. I think she's still currently continuing to buy. I'm gonna clear this there. I know this is on a weekly time frame. Yeah, that buy could have been good. We missed it by a fucking wick, y'all. That wick could have came and got us some more. It could have that could have been a severe prices right now. 200 pills. Come on. Almost 200. But it's okay. Can you pay my bills? Can you pay my telephone bills? Can you pay my all right, all right. I don't think you do. But we got some major news that's happening in the market tomorrow. So let's see what happens. Um, Still looking on sales for USD JPY, but she is currently buying right now. I think on a daily time frame, we probably got another. Let me get some more data. Got that right there, but here's price reactor right here too. Yeah, ain't no sense of having those fields up there, baby. Not at this current moment. She just pushing up until we for USD JPY. She is currently buying up. Now I don't recommend unless you're on the lower time frame. If you're gonna scalp, get in, get out. But I don't think you will hold this for long. This will not be probably like an intraday because the move has already happened. We could have got in right here, got a 200, and been able to get out. Um, I just really feel like we just waiting on the price action to let us know to sell. But I really feel like she's exhausted at this point, looking for more of an information in this case, and that's because she's already Hold on. I'm just gonna put another arrow right here. And oh, that was a beautiful, beautiful one. She sold. Well, I'm just looking for like some type of price action to repeat this, and then we can start selling. Okay. But, yeah, kind of exhausting out. All right. DXY. Ew, look at that. That was pretty. She can't feel that gap. I just love my shit. Hold on. Mm, 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 mm. She felt this. I said, look at this. That was respected beautifully on our supported resistance. I think on Wednesday it said she could easily just push up. She did just that, gave us a retrace. She's on her way to back up. Um we have to see based off news tomorrow if she's going to continue to go up or if we're going to finally start seeing those drops in the DXY. But I really feel like she may go up. I like more of the upwards. We've been going down for quite some time. We need some retracement to go up, and then she'll probably go down, but probably not all the way down because, of course, the DSY has been doing nothing but trending up. All right, but that is all that I have for you guys. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and share. And, oh, I like more of this DXY buy too. She came down, gave us a retrace. This was the buy entry. She came been trending up. Well, probably with the news, it will break out of that daily support and resistance. Get the retracement and she'll go up some more. But it also depends on the economy as well. Um, but yeah, I still see buys on the DXY. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Mary the Goddess 22, MARTHEGODESS, two number twos. Yes, I know it's 1D. That's how I want it to be. And you join our Facebook group, the Goddess Tribe. That one is with two D's, THEGODDESS, and then Tribe. I am out later. I will see you probably tomorrow night for our Wednesday review. Definitely want to see what happens with FOMC and what it tells us about the economy and what may be possibly happening. All right. See you guys later.